Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss the next topic in integers, that is subtraction of integers. Now subtraction means when we find the difference of two things. We know 6 minus 4 is what? 2. And 4 minus 6 is? We will write it like this, 4 plus of minus 6. Now, as we have discussed in the last lecture, we have opposite signs. One is positive, other is negative. So the answer will be subtraction of these two. We will find the difference. Difference of 6 and 4 is 2, and the sign will be of the greater numerical value. Now 6 is greater than 4, so sign will be here negative. So answer is minus 2. But if we have 5 minus of minus 2, what we will do? One thing to note here is when two negative signs are placed together, see here we have two negative signs placed together, then it becomes a positive sign. It means minus minus will become a plus. So it will become 5 plus 2. The answer is 7. So always remember this thing in mind. If we have two negative signs together, then it becomes positive. Next is subtraction of integers using a number line. If suppose I do this question, same question on the number line, how will I do? Firstly, I am going to draw the number line. Now start from 0. 5 minus of minus 2. It means firstly from 0 we have to step out to 5. So go to 5. Then minus of minus 2. Now minus of minus. Again I told you minus of minus will become plus. Plus means we have to move towards right. 2 steps towards right. So we reached at 7. The answer is 7. Next is 2 minus 4. So from 0 we have to move to 2. Then minus 4 means we have to move 4 steps in the left direction like this. So the answer is minus 2. Now what are the properties of subtraction? First property is if I subtract any two integers, like 45 minus 40 is 5. If I subtract 40 minus 45, the answer is minus 5. Now 5 and minus 5 both are integers. Similarly, if I take any two integers and if I subtract them, the answer is always an integer. So what I will say? Integers are closed under subtraction, or I can say integers satisfy the closure property. Next is, as we know, 45 minus 40 is 5. But 40 minus 45 is minus 5. So what I will say? I have not got the same answer. I got the difference answer. One is 5 and other is minus 5. So integers are not commutative under subtraction. Commutative means when if we interchange the order, the answer doesn't change, then that is commutative. But here on changing the order, I got different answer. So integers are not commutative under subtraction. Next is, we know if we have 6 minus 2 minus 10, what is the answer? 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. But if I change the brackets like this, 6 minus, I put the brackets here, 2 minus 10. Then 6 minus 2 minus 10 is minus 8. Minus minus plus 6 plus 8 is 14. We got different answers. This is associative property. So associative property doesn't hold for integers. Next, let us discuss the exercise 4.3. Find minus 2154 minus 5123. Now see here, we have both the integers negative. As they have the same sign, so what we do? We simply add them and then put the common sign. So adding 2154 and 5123, we get 7277. Here the common sign is negative, so the answer is minus 7277. Next is find the successor and predecessor of minus 6160. Successor means when we add 1. So when I will add 1 to 616 minus 6160, what is the answer? Plus minus, again 1 is positive, other is negative, so we have to subtract. So let us subtract. The answer is 6159 and the sign will be of the greater number. Here the greater number is having a sign negative, so what is the successor? the successor will be minus 6159. So this will be the successor. Now what is the predecessor? Predecessor means when we subtract a 1. So here both the integers are becoming negative. If we have the same sign, we add them. So after addition, the answer is 6161. But the sign will be common here, minus 6161. Next is simplify. Minus 26 plus minus 13 plus of minus 52. Now if we want to simplify, what we will do? Plus minus minus, and plus minus again minus. So simply we have opened the brackets, then subtracting. Minus 26 minus 13, both are having the same sign. Here also minus 13 minus 52, both are having the same sign. So we will add them first. The answer is 65. Common sign is negative. Again 26 plus 65 is 91. The common sign is negative. So answer is minus 91. Next is a submarine was situated 700 meter below the sea level. If it ascends 250 meter, what is its new position? Now position of submarine 700 meter below, it means minus 700 meter. Ascends means it is coming up, so it will be positive 250 meter. So what is the new position? Just add them. Minus 700 plus 250, answer is minus 450 meters. That is 450 meter below the sea level. Minus means below. Next is sum of two integers is minus 80. If one of the integers is minus 90, then find the other. Now sum of two integers. So minus 90 plus one integer is equal to minus 80. So what should come here to get a minus 80? It means here should be the number of opposite signs so that they can be subtracted. So 90 minus 10 is 80. So here it should be positive 10. Then it will become minus 80. Next question is simplify 84 plus of minus 99 plus 33 minus of minus 28 minus 46. Now 84 plus minus is minus. 99 and 84 when subtracted, answer is 15, and the larger number is 99, so here we'll be having minus 15. Plus 33 minus plus 28 minus 46. Now minus 15 plus 33, the answer is 18. Positive sign in front of 33, so will be positive 18 plus 28 minus 46. So it is 18. 28 minus 46 is minus 18. So 18 minus 18, answer is 0. Now the homework for today is simplify minus 13 plus minus 17 minus of minus 22 minus of minus 40. Question number 2. Write the successor and predecessor of minus 8000. Thank you. Have a nice day.